Hi friends, it's Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org, and today I have the newest Artsabox, and this one is from Judea, the Judean desert. So let's look and see what's inside. As always, it starts with these cards. So you open up the cards and you learn about some things that are inside the box. So this is the beautiful Judean countryside, Mount of Temptation. Here is, Christmas is coming. So this is going to be about the next one, and there is a coupon code in here. Nice. This is the recipe card that they always include a recipe card. And we have, this is a postcard of Masada. Here are some things that we will find in this box. So it tells you about it on the back. Here is one of the artisans' coffee. Here is one who does ceramics and bath salts. Oh, I can't wait to see this. The Dead Sea bath salts. And this is rosemary infused salt. All right. Here is another gorgeous picture of the Judean desert. And let's open it up. So the first thing I see, handmade in Israel. It says ceramics, so this is talking about a pottery studio. So let me open this up. Nicely wrapped. And we have, isn't this beautiful? I love this little ceramic jar. Wow, that is gorgeous. Definitely handmade, very beautiful. And next we have ground roasted coffee for all the coffee lovers out there. So this is ground roasted coffee. I'm trying to see where it's from. Manufactured by Agro Cafe in Israel. So that is the second item. Here is another one. The Dead Sea Scrolls, Treasures of the Bible. This is talking about the Dead Sea Scrolls discovery, where they found the biblical writings in Qumran. So let me open up and see what this is. Included in this package is a ceramic replica of the large storage jars that held the Dead Sea Scrolls, an information booklet about them, and a replica scroll. Oh, fun. Let me open it up to see. So here is, looks like the lid, like a replica of one of the scrolls. And here is the jar. Isn't that cute? This is really fun. It'll be fun to teach my kids about it and to show them this replica of what they found inside the scrolls. I love this. And this part right here is the information booklet. That is so cool. All right, next we have pure date honey. Oh, this is fun. And if I remember correctly, this was one of the ingredients on that recipe card. So I'm going to check back over here with the recipe card. Find that while you are looking at the honey. Where was that? Here it is. Siloan date cake. And yes, it does include this date honey, so that will be fun to make with the honey. There are a few more things in here. We're not done yet. Here is the Dead Sea relaxing bath salts. I love this. The bath salts are sourced directly from the lowest place on earth, which is the Dead Sea. Oh, have to smell it too. Oh, that smells really good. Really good. That's going to be fun. All right, next we have this beautiful, it looks like it could be a coaster. Oh, no, it's a wall hanging. So it says Shalom, and it has this little hanger here so you can hang it up on your wall. That's beautiful. And one more thing. Here is the rosemary infused salt. I wonder if this is part of the recipe too. No, it's not. So this would be just for something else. Isn't that neat how it has the salts with the rosemary in there? Okay, so let me show you everything really fast again. So you have the Dead Sea Scroll replica and information pack. So that's really great for learning. And this is what it looks like here with the scroll that you put inside. You have your bath salts, the wall hanging, the rosemary infused salts, the date honey, and this adorable jar. This is the beautiful Artza box from the Judean desert. Go ahead and check below this video because I do have a coupon code, or you could go to ichoosejoy.org, ichoosejoy.org/Artza box. Bye-bye.